Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you what is this green dot in Samsung S26 Ultra in the top right corner. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you're facing the issue that in the upper right corner you're seeing the green dot with this every icon. So let's see what is this and how to disable this. So basically it's the sign of microphone usage that some app or any of your app is using your microphone. To check that, just scroll down your control center or quick setting. You might see the microphone icon here. Just click on it and you will see that which app is using your microphone. So you can see that microphone is being used by voice recorder. So if you want to turn it off or if you want to hide or disable the green dot, so you have two different ways. The very first way, you have to check for the app using a microphone here and just close that app from your recent apps, or you can also try to go ahead to that app. So let's say I have recorded, so I'm going to open my voice recorder here and I'm going to stop this. Once I have stopped the recording, so here you can see that voice recorder or the sign of that green dot is not showing up here. Or if you're still facing the issue after stopping the app, you're still facing this green dot here. You have to scroll down in control center, click on this microphone icon, and click on this notification that being used by any app. So you have to click on that. You might be redirected to your microphone or your app permissions. Go to microphone here and just select don't allow. Once I selected don't allow, go back, go from here. So here you might see your navbar, click on it, click on stop, pause, or cancel. So I'm gonna cancel this, or also try to stop this. Or you can also go ahead to that app again and here select don't allow and just remove that app from your recent apps, and now you will not get that icon again. So in this way you can easily hide the green dot icon, or you can easily disable that green dot icon from here under Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.